Kate's going. Say hi.
Hi.
I guess tired.
Yeah. I am.
I know, me too.
I'm really sad.
Oh shit. So, are you happy, Anna, that you got your phone fixed? Where's
Yes,
the light?
it's not broken anymore.
I don't want to like turn anything on that's like.
Here.
I don't want to be in it. Why not? How do you turn the light on?
The light on?
I don't. Wait.
I don't know. How do you even open the door?
The door. Oh my god! Wait, he has it! Oh my god, this is so embarrassing! Oh my god, wait, just don't turn it on! Oh my god! This is so funny. Is this still on? Yeah, he probably hates us. He's probably like, he's probably looking, and then when he heard his start. Just like, oh my god! Oh my god, Patrick hates us. He's gonna be like, well. I was like, I'm trying opening your car. Look at him walking like a boss. He's probably mad. No! I'm trying opening your car.
Yeah, I know, I did that before. Because
it's been a lot. We got scared.
There's something told me that might have happened.
You can't trust us with your car. Okay.